Asian slashes here in Davao City. Isang malaking yes.
Yes!
One more.
Yes!
Sige, are you ready to open Asian slashes here in Santa Lucia?
Yes!
I count in 5, 4, 3, pag 1. Okay, I'll say it's officially open. Alright? Sabayan mo ako magbilang. Let's start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Congratulations to our owners and our CEOs. And guys, we have our promos right now, available services this afternoon. And of course, meron tayong meet and greet with Miss Andrea Del Rosario. Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome to Asian Slashes Davao!
For those of you who would like to take a picture with our celebrity ambassador, of course, may time na po tayo. Yung time po tayo take a picture dito tayo sa logo. Sa logo po tayo. Dito sa logo.